Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can install vidIQ's extension. Let's begin the video. Here I open the website. You can see here you have many options. You have this optimize, generate, thumbnail and many options. Here you have more options like idea, coach, competitors. You can see here all the options. Here on the top you can see this option called install extension. So you just need to install extension from here. Simply click on that. Here they are opening it in a separate app. Here you can see their total rating and their features, all the things and total number of install as well. From here just you have to click on add to Chrome. Now just click on add extension. You can see that our extension has been installed. So simply you can see that we have been successfully logged in our YouTube channel as well. Now here they are playing their video. So you can see here many options. You have this views, overview and AI coach options. Here in view you can see the total number of views, and in overview you can see their subscriber and their total views, and here you have this AI coach where you can ask any question to this AI coach. Now here if you will click on this three dot, here you have daily ideas. Basically this will redirect you to the home website where you can see the ideas, and here you can see the daily ideas, their save ideas and the dismiss ideas. They give you some ideas on the daily basis here. And similarly here you can also see your competitors, how they are doing. You can see their performance, how they are doing. Similarly here you can also set the trend for alerts, and here you can also see your most viewed videos. And here you have this channel audit where you can see your channel progress, your total number of views, subscriber and the watch time. You can see here all the things, and you can track your activity on your YouTube channel here. And similarly here you also have this keyword inspector where you can research for specific keywords that will boost your video. Now here for example I have researched for cook. Now you can see the keyword related to cook. Here you have these keywords. If I show you, here you have these how to cook 24-hour challenges, and you can see here you have high chance of getting more views. And similarly last here you have this achievement where you can see your achievements, how much subscriber you have achieved, how much views you have gained and like and the uploads. You can see here all your activity, how you are doing. Now here we are on the home page. You can see these three lines on the top. If you click on these three lines, here you can see these more options, daily ideas, keyword inspector, competitors, trend alert, all these options that we have discussed earlier. You can see here all these options, and you can see here all these options that we have discussed earlier. And similarly if you click on any video, like if we do here, you can see here their number of views, their outline score. And here if you will click on any video, you can get here regeneration ideas where they will give you different ideas on how you can regenerate similar kind of videos. Now here if we go and if we open this one video here, this is Mr. Beast video. You can see here their views, their overview and the AI coach. Here we are just seeing their views. You can see here how this video is doing, and here in the overview you can see their subscriber and their total number of views. And now here I have opened the AI coach, and if we ask it's like a question, here they have given one question. Let's try one. Now here I have written that give me 3 similar ideas for my channel. Now here they are regenerating, so let's wait and see. Now here you can see that they have generated 3 similar ideas for us. You can reuse that and you can make one. Now here I have opened one more video. You can see here. Now here you have this option in the bottom. If you click on that, here you have this option called add to competitor. You can add this channel to your competitor list. Here we had Mr. Beast here in the competitor previously. Now one more channel has been added. That's how you can add and you can remove as well from here. That was basically all about how you can install and you can use this extension. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.